Mami ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
NDC competent person be anu obetimi ahead minerals commission. Yay! NDC kakak. Obi anu wa ya competent enough for your technical know-how. Obetimi ahead minerals commission. Because if we say we are resetting, it means and no part of the mess should be cleared. That's all. What are we waiting for? Martin, you see what that's what minerals commission or Jenny no Genesis or Jedian. And you see, the most dangerous aspect of this thing is that yes, Sikano Krano, security officials be a benefit. It says Ghana Armed Forces for Tiamusu Amoko operation. Say your police for, say your military for Nibio, and say your mama tip off, and we're hunting. Now I'm yi. Now Galamsey for the Ghana. Hey, Armed Forces for Bako, Task Force, I saw Mukoya, you want Bako to Nipa. Wamoche Wamuana, security for Kuya, as I'm a tip off, no massacre sites. So you see, Galamsey problem, no? And young crime problem. And him for one, police for one, soldier for one, national security for one, politicians for one, any part as one, and your responsibility say you're protecting a minor. They are all involved on me, Galamsey, or we are involved. You see, the time I told you people say, Nana Rudanko Akufo-Addo was a direct beneficiary of Galamsey, you were insulting me. For Nana to come and turn himself into a PRO for Aquantamize to cry up a different day, no, they won't result in you. PR work no, yeah, no, and won't result in it, and won't damage in it. It is a Mekacho said Nana was a direct beneficiary of a Galamsey. I will tell you the gospel facts. My problem right now is that one more can was a messy your woman. I don't know been that sort of office. So much to call your day. And I say IGP, I reshuffle. Said you can't, and reshuffle all the police commanders from more mining areas. It's not enough. There are some of the police officers who come from your commander. Huh? Wamunya crime officers and wamunya CID 111. Wamunya constable ne kwaprafo and wamushisham. Shake up on no IGP we are not done with the check up. Sure, Amanya yetibitilam edi ye won wu say. Ha and chesamedwunu ho amentiase. Oni pa ba ko pebi sika wo penti no. On my money nyina is suffering. And so we come in our poison. When they catch now they are to tell say Ghana water force you know their man and your poison if you don't know. They themselves they know. Areas here you can once a year Ghana water fortune show for then a chance your poison. Then a chance your poison. But in am your tapum and ya sad ye day no aduane and ya sa baby kwa kwa woman damage. The consequences are a what Galamsey who ya can't me or be a Galamsey be your number one enemy because only I'm run by your pet. What to be kum nipa? I quantama say a chama wood to me no, me person me be so rabu amako fiwa, arabo me ame bra no chama wood to one as soon as
President Mahama, let me say the way you lose focus. Now, Yemubino, the respect of power. Into what ya or see a movie in the Anutum Kakrama. Samemo na Ubun, we are wide say Obertanaho, Amasa Mijan Fimu, and I be dictate Yamoa, Papa. You will leave a bad precedent, sir. Ibimbada. President Mama, if you are not careful, you will be the worst ever president in the history of the whole of Africa. You are where when you are Macron. I say, I'll grow be a baweniso and I'll grow when so. Obey a president, not cement one bag, 80 cedis. She say, I can say cement one bag, 200 cedis. Euro are jumping in 18. Eniema jinsem ba wadwen ko ho. A school for now promise you ice cream. No, say ice cream nimba wadwen ko ho. Ghana for now promise you 24-hour economy no. Almost say o budget nenim wadwen ko ho. Eniema wo ye nyinara akwaye say obi a sabi waya akwan. What be dear mind or buying so and mine so? Ghana for the two abama. Ghana for expecting something good from you. Baby, I wouldn't nam. Just try me yen to was it. Obey, Yahoa. Dear, and you may here as a party for no cobble of one woman, and you more push you say and away. And dear one say, I saw for a ding among Kasai. Media na din omun kasai. Na monye careful. No mano sa asemi ba ye na etimu bi. President Mama, o ba ye. O target nyina ye the arms of government in opes o weaken nyina. Military. Utimi 4-star general. No akofa 1-star so mediso. It will be a 2-3-star piano. I was all retired because Eugenia most in a baby, your fun as your friend is saying CDD or CDS. A near way you know, Ufi military. And now, who said that? Well, boy, CBI petition say Chief Justice. President Mama. Ye nano ye monsa o ye sua de kakra the constitution no adia mandate ma wo no before betima cross to the judiciary Chief Justice ajuwa ye boni bia Ghana for ye nam abonti nyina obi ya we ana agi se nipa no sabe wanya adwumyare bi ana yare bi aye na edi adanse na se enema bia minor issues be. Not because party interest, because you want to hijack the whole system. Okay? Jawiyano. Eye papa. President Mama, removal of the Chief Justice. A day in a debabwa Ghana economy. Removal of the Chief Justice. A day pass and faso pa na bebem. Ama Ghana economy grow. Oma o promise you 24-hour economy no. What would removal of the Chief Justice add to the Ghanaian economy and the growth of it? A near man was a set priorities not Ghana for to Obama or no. Uya man. Dear Wiyan Chief Justice, why are they? Why are Ghana they? And your papa no judge for ne, your mamma. You bomb was him. You were